Hello friends, I welcome you all to this lecture on Python programming, solving problems using Python programming. Though this particular topic was not there in my introductory lecture, that I will be covering this in this particular lecture, but it is required uh, for that what we call as perfect number. So if you have to check whether a number is a perfect number or not, then we require this factors, factors of a number. So in this lecture, I'll tell you that how to write a program to evaluate the factors of a number. And then in the next lecture, what I'll do is I'll use the same program to check whether a number is a perfect number or not. So what are factors of a number? A factor is a number that divides another number perfectly. That is, remainder is 0. So let's take 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, okay. 1 6 are 6, then 2, 2 3s are 6, then 3, 3 2s are 6, then 4 doesn't divide it, 5 doesn't divide it, then comes 6. That's it. So these 4 are basically the factors for this particular number 6. Let's take 12. 1, okay, 2, 6 are 12, and 3, 4s are 12, 4, 3s are 12, 5 doesn't divide it, 6, 2s are 12, 7 doesn't divide, 8 doesn't divide, 9 doesn't divide, 10, 11, then comes 12. So these are nothing but factors of this particular number. So if I'm interested in writing a program to find out factor of a number, then what I have to do? Now it must be clicking you. I have to start with this one, and if I divide this number from 1, then I should be getting what? Remainder as 0. So I start I start finding out the remainder one by one in a sequence from 1, 2, 3 up to that particular number, and I will be printing only those numbers for which the remainder is 0. And that's it, done. Now you know how to find out factors of a number. So let us go to Jupyter Notebook and try to solve this. So here what we are trying to do is, we are basically trying to find the factors of a number. Okay, so this is our task. Now for finding out the factors, what we should be having? Number itself. So let us copy this. Let us bring the number here. Then what? Then I have to start with 1 and go up to the number and check whether these divide any number, given number, completely or not. And if it divides, then print it. Simple. So for I in range, we have to start with 1 and add the number. So I cannot write n because it will be giving me 1 less than the number. So I have to write it n plus 1. Then now come the condition. If the number when divided by I, if it returns me 0 remainder, then that is the factor. So what I have to do? I have to simply print that I. And to print it in one line all the numbers, we have to write end, and then let's say they are separated by comma. Okay, and I think it's done. So if we run this program, let's say 6, then it is giving me 1 2 3 6. Look here, it is 1 2 3 6. So if I am saying, let's say it is 12, so it is giving me 1 2 3 4 6 12. It is so simple, friends. So developing logic is in first place, then comes the program writing. So the primary thing is we have to check that whether a number completely divides the given number or not, and if, then that is the factor of that number. Simple. So in this lecture, till this point only. In the next lecture, we will be learning that how to find out the perfect number. Thank you very much.